look at all these Chinese bakery. Egg custard. Yeah, delicious. Egg custard. After seeing those delicious egg custards at the bakery, my mom wanted to make her own. The ingredients, as you can see on the bottom, we have a cup of flour ready. There you see in the bowl with the cream cheese and butter. Now we're going to knead it with your hand. That's the flour, butter, and cream cheese mix. Knead it real good as you're making bakery or bread. There you see both sides of the kneading. All right, so my mom is kneading this dough right here because we want to imitate the Chinese bakery and make some Chinese egg custard. She's kneading this mix right here, and we're using this Baker's Corner all-purpose flour enriched bleached. Okay, using this roller to flatten it. Okay, while my mom is flattening right there, and we're using these cookie tray, perfect size for making egg custard. Guess we'll be using 2 of these. Okay, now we're gonna put this extra layer of cream cheese. A little bit cream cheese, a little bit of butter, and with flour. We try to mix it in for better texture and flavor. Okay, mom is rolling it now. What my mom doing now is cutting into 24 servings to act as the crust. You know, the egg custard crust on the bottom where the egg custard rests on. This is the crust. Okay, my mom's gonna demonstrate putting one of these crusts into the baking pan. Basically, you want to make it flat. Okay, that looks good, Mom. Okay, now form it in there. Gently form it into a beautiful shape until it takes into the shape of the mold. You guys get the idea. Basically, you want it to fill the top. You don't want any holes showing. Make it real nice and safe. For 24 egg custard, my mom's planning on cracking 10 eggs. Now these eggs are organic eggs straight from our own chicken. Oh, you just lay an egg? Oh, you did. Okay. Thanks for letting us know. Oh, wow, fresh egg. Still warm. Okay, now it's your guys' turn, okay? Okay, my mom added 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix it in with his hand mixer. Now we are gradually adding in the 2 cups of milk. Mix it in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Mom is carefully pouring it in. See, that's one of the reasons why you want the flour to be on high. Because when it bakes, it's gonna make it conform. And that's what the shells look like, 24 shells, see? So we're cooking at 375 degrees for 26 minutes. Yeah, put it in there, Mom. Yeah. Center tray. Let's see how it turns out. Mom is ready. Wow, it looks beautiful. Let's take it out. Okay, Mom, take one out. Be careful. Wow, show me the bottom. Okay, it looks decent. See? Oh, this one is too. Now that's better. It smells good though. It smells great. Okay, Mom. Let's inspect it. Make sure it's cooked thorough. And I'm gonna do a taste test. We will both do a taste test. Yeah, that looks flaky. Wow. Yeah. Okay, try it, Mom. We both try it. It's hot. Try it. The crust is good. Crunchy. Oh, it's perfect, Mom. Not too sweet. It's got a buttery taste. Very good. Very good, Mom. I give you a 87%.